If you're looking to integrate Practice Better with Shopify, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step. But keep watching because I'll also mention a few alternatives that might just be a better fit for your needs, especially if you're focused on streamlining your business with the best tools available. First, let's dive right into why you might want to connect these two platforms. Practice Better is great for managing client appointments and providing personalized coaching, while Shopify is the go to for running an online store. By integrating them, you're essentially bringing your client management and e commerce into one seamless workflow. The first thing you'll want to do is access your Practice Better account. From the dashboard, head to your settings. Look for the Integrations section, which will allow you to see all the available platforms you can link up with Practice Better. Shopify should be in the list of options, so click on it to begin the connection process. Next thing, you'll be prompted to log into your Shopify account. This is where you'll provide the necessary permissions for Practice Better to sync with your Shopify store. Don't worry, it's completely safe. Shopify will ask you to grant access so Practice Better can pull data like purchases, customer details, and any other essential information to keep everything updated automatically. Make sure to check the permissions to ensure nothing is missed. Once you've connected, the fourth thing you'll do is configure what data you want to sync. Do you want client appointments to trigger product recommendations? Do you want course purchases on Shopify to automatically send access details through Practice Better? These settings are fully customizable, allowing you to tailor the integration to fit your business model perfectly. The fifth thing to check is testing the integration. Once everything is linked up, it's crucial to test that data is flowing properly. Make a test purchase on Shopify and confirm that the customer's details appear correctly in Practice Better. Similarly, test if changes made in Practice Better, like appointment schedules, sync back to your Shopify account. Now that you know how to integrate these two platforms, let's be real here. There are some limitations. For example, Practice Better, while powerful, doesn't offer the same level of product customization that Shopify is known for. You might find certain features, like email marketing or advanced analytics, are lacking unless you use additional tools. This leads me to the alternatives I mentioned earlier. You see, while integrating Practice Better with Shopify is great, you might want to consider other platforms that offer better scalability and more robust features for growing your business. I'll dive into these alternatives shortly, but let me first mention that by using the link in the description, you get access to an exclusive extended free trial of Practice Better, way longer than what you'd typically get. And on top of that, there are a couple of software alternatives that might even give you better results, with free trials too. So, if you're looking for more than just an integration, you should check out the options I've linked below. These alternatives can help streamline your client management, automate your workflow, and boost your online sales much more effectively. Make sure to check out the link in the description for that extended free trial, along with some exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Happy integrating!